This is my Panasonic Ambience F2 boombox, and it's very early in the morning, so I don't feel like talking too much. But I just thought I'd sort of show it. So this thing's kind of cool because the fact is it sounds so good. It's got a variable sound monitor with ambience, stereo, mono, and there's a big difference between stereo and ambience. It's really cool. You got your function switch here: volume, balance, tone, Panasonic one-touch recording. It's got a good mechanical pause, 2 internal microphones. It records in stereo and with actually good quality DC bias. Unfortunately, not much DC, but I don't mind DC bias. On this end, you have on the top it's headphones, and this external speakers left and right, and on the bottom AC input and then DC input 9 volts. Wiring problem with the transformer. There's one of the diodes or capacitors was bad and didn't feel like sorting them out because it didn't have any of the right ones in the first place. So I just bypassed the wire, so the battery compartment's wired directly into the power transformer. So when you plug it in, it recharges the batteries if you don't take them out. And that's dangerous with the kind of batteries I put in this. Fitting, ain't it? It uses 6 of those. It's got a good strong handle, and the antenna's kind of bent, but it's really long. I'm not going to bother showing much of it. Okay, I'll start it with the radio press for now. And lower the volume a little. What radio station is that? Anyway, I'm going to put this on tape now because I want to do a tape presentation. And I just bent the little cotter pin at the end. I recently broke off the antenna at one point, the tip of it. I still have it somewhere. I gotta attach it sometime. I did do a voice recording. I find kind of cool. I saw this whole door comes forward. So I'm gonna rewind this and put it back. Let's fast forward. Put the tape in wrong. Okay. It's playing with the ambience control right now. Okay, I'm kind of far away, but I'm talking sort of in the center of this thing, into the internal microphone. It's regular stereo.
I'm talking directly. Okay,
this sounds really weird. I'm echoing in my own ears.
Talking into that microphone right there, loudly. I'm going to talk into this microphone. Okay, let's shut the speaker in this microphone on this end. Loudly. So it should come up really weird on this, I think. I'm going to test. Since there's
yeah. I was talking in that it should have in the middle, and then sort of there, and sort of over here on this microphone thing. Yeah, that's side 1. Just a bit. Turn on the line completely. Okay, sort of at the end of the song. Next part. Mono, stereo, ambience, stereo, ambience, stereo, ambience. Pause. Stop. Okay, that's enough of that for now. I don't feel like I'm listening to too much music. Besides, it's like, what time? Oh, it's like 5 in the morning. But yeah, it's got, basically, you can't really see the heads inside, but play. Okay, the record one doesn't come down unless... Actually, no, that's not the record one. That's got a magnetic eraser. That'd be why. But this big old tank is pretty good. I was planning on showing this one before I showed off the sound design, but I didn't because I accidentally deleted this one. Anyway, sounds pretty good, doesn't it? We had it in this one room, part of a friend's house, and theirs had a bad tape deck and we wanted to listen to some tape, so I played it, and it blew the other one away. So let's just end this now.